Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uVanelo. So I'm back again with indaba zakubhethe Premiership. Amathema amaningi ayathenga, engabe yakho i-team iyathenga na. So ngizoqala ngeindaba bafethu ebihamba phambili namhlanje. Indaba ke bafethu ebreakiwe namhlanje kuthiwa uAndre de Jong, umdlali lo wale bafethu eNew Zealand odlalela iStellenbosch, the one of the star player bafethu lesi sase New Zealand bafethu. uAndre de Jong bafethu njengoba star player nje, he is being targeted by Orlando Pirates. Iwindi liyavalwa namhlanje menikhumbula kahle ke iwindi la eSouth Africa lifana newindi la eEurope. Njengoba lizovalwa nje iwindi, Orlando Pirates are targeting uAndre de Jong. Njengoba besho nje la, Orlando Pirates are aiming to complete a sensational deadline day deal for Stellenbosch star uAndre de Jong. Do you think Orlando Pirates have the money to sign André de Jong? Do you think Orlando Pirates kumele bamsayine lo mjide lo? Ngokubona kwami, I don't think le deal le izoba khona namhlanje, but let's hope izinto uma ihamba kanje, izinto zihambela kahle for Orlando Pirates, kuzoba lula for bona ukuthi bayiwin league based on the players they have signed kuleli windi leli. Uma futhi bekwazi ukuyisayina le deal le, for me I think Orlando Pirates uma bekwazi lo umsayina lo mjida bazoba the best window. Yabo bazoba newindi nje elinswempu okudlula wonke ama team akhona la kuBetway Premiership. Uma subheka abadlali abasayinile previously, yabo Osuna Police, abo Sipho Mbule, abo Sibelebele, abo Tebang Moremi, you can name more players abayi quality Orlando Pirates basayinile kuleli windi sikulona. And if they add this player, kuzoba one of the best windows akhona kuBetway Premiership since the last 10 years. Let's see ukuthi indaba ithini bafethu, but for me I think umjida ngiyaza sign namhlanje. I think uJanuary uzoba khona because ngizwile ngeindaba kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs nayo ikhona kwideal yayo umjida, yabo. But ke ungangitshela ama comments, do you think Orlando Pirates mele imsayine umjida noma cha? Kwezinye izindaba engiyizwile namhlanje kuthiwa i-replacement kaSabiso Monyane menikhumbula kahle uTshepo Mashiliyoni lo samsayina kwiBaroka FC, kuthiwa umjida usezojoina iSkhukhune United. Uzojoina nje iSkhukhune United on loan from Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates decide ukuthi umjida imdedele kancane because indlela adlala ngayo so far ayifit istyle so Orlando Pirates. So decide nje ukuthi bamdedele kancane. To be honest, ngikabili kule ndaba yalo mjida lo. To be honest, I don't really like his style of play, but I like him as a player. I like him as a player ukuthi umjida angahlala kuLorlando Pirates because uma ubheka ama right backs wethu, ama right wing backs wethu uMashiliyoni, sibe naye lo mjida lo uShandu, sibe naye uNdlozi, sibe naye ulumjida lo Lebitso no Van Rooyen. Lebitso and Van Rooyen ama injury prone. You cannot really plan around Lebitso with Van Rooyen. Yabo balimala now and then. Even now Van Rooyen ulimele, usazolimala no Lebitso, uzosalela ubani, uzosalela uNdlozi benoShandu. Yabo, so lapho awunama option amaningi. You play uShandu akakwenzeli kahle, and must force intwana encane uNdlozi ukuthi abe under pressure. So having uMashiliyoni there might add some quality. For me, I don't think the decision is right for Orlando Pirates ukuthi imdedele, but ke let's see kwenzakalani. Ngokuzwa kwami ukuthi umjida uzohamba impela Orlando Pirates yamlungu. Kwezinye izindaba engiyizwile bafowethu, the former AmaZulu player umjida wadedelwa AmaZulu, he was a free agent. Umjida uzojoina iclub yaseGreek, le club la bayibiza ngePanseria Kos, angikwazi ukupronounce igama layo, ungangitshela ama comments lipronounce kanjani, but ke this is a good deal for umjida uyodlala nje eEurope kancane, yabo, get some fresh air le eEurope. Deal yakhe icishe ngifanele nale deal le yayenziwa uRowan Human. No Rowan Human right now udlala le eEurope, so abajida ngibafisela kuhle basuka kona vela AmaZulu. Umjida ke wala eThekwini, so kuyangijabulisa ukubona abadlali bala eKZN bedlala le eEurope. Let's hope umjida uzofika adlale kahle, athathe amanye ama club eEurope amsayine umjida. Let's hope umjida ifuture yakhe iba right, vele usayingane, yabo. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu, the former Mbekezeli Mbokazi teammate umjida kuthiwa uzojoina iChippa United. Kuthiwa umjida uzojoina iChippa United. Lo mdlali lo bafethu wayedlala noMbekezeli Mbokazi kwi-defense Orlando Pirates I think ngale season, yabo, ngale season ubedlala kuOrlando Pirates, but ke right now he will join iChippa United. Una 22 years old umjida, akekho mdala leyo ndlela, ifuture yakhe isamnandi kakhulu. And njengoba futhi ejoin iChippa currently they are really signing young players okuyinto engiyithanda kakhulu. So let's hope umjida uzofika shine khona, alithole ithuba lakhe lokuthi adlale, yabo. Medlala kahle maybe usazobuyela kwi-parent club yakhe kuOrlando Pirates because he was representing Orlando Pirates with the CV Disc Challenge. Kwezinye izindaba sengiya kwiMamelodi Sundowns right now. uMiguel Resino, umdlali lo ozosayinwe kwiMamelodi Sundowns, siwa uzofika eSouth Africa kusasa ezocomplete imove yakhe kwiMamelodi Sundowns on a free transfer. Umjida waterminate icontract yakhe kwiclub yaseBovista in July via a mutual agreement, yabo. So umjida uzojoina eMamelodi Sundowns on a free transfer. He's coming from Europe. Sundowns yabona indlela ebophala ngakhona umjida ke bafethu ngakhohlwa wasePortugal ngikhulumile ngayizolo omunye umjida ozojoyina Mamelodi Sundowns naye wasePortugal so I see la uMiguel Cardoso is signing his countrymen. Let's see ukuthi abajida bazodlala kanje. Kwezinye izindaba Faldo Davids ule manje eRaja Casablanca with his technical staff umjida usefikile. He will become the new head coach of iRaja Casablanca. Manikhumbula kahle ke Joseph Zimbawa once coached iRaja Casablanca. I don't know, maybe there's a connection between coach abasuka la South Africa with ileague yale Europe, not Europe say eMorocco, but ke le top Faldo Davids uzophinde futhi afike lapha aqhubeke enze kahle bafethu. Siyawubona umsebenzi Faldo Davids uma izinto ingahambeli kahle le ukhona umnyango uvuliwe ekhaya, ungabuyela nje kwezimnyama ubuye uzocoacha nje ezimnyama yabo. I hope umjida uzofika acoache kahle lapha. Kwezinye izindaba the former Mamelodi Sundowns player kahle kahle umjida uloniwe kuSwelele FC. I spoke about this player. Umjida ke namhlanje bam-announceile kuthiwa they welcome uKika Nuanes in a green and white yabo. Umjida ke bafethu bamlone back kwiSwelele ade vele edlalela iSuperSport United. So iSwelele seyisiso Iswelele besiyiSuperSport United sebemlone back yabo. Abantu abaningi bazoxabaya ukuthi hayibo baqonda ukuthi bethi welcome home vele ubedlalela yona le club lo. So it's a big issue. Swelele naso these days asenzi kahle mfethu, kuneziningi nje idrama yazo. Ngisazoshaya ivideo yaso Swelele sisodwa nje siseceleni. Angiyithandi izinto engizizwa ngeSwelele. Namhlanje umdlalo wabo ade engekho eyorepresenta lapha we-calling knockout. Ade kushawa idraw namhlanje ade engekho isho umdlalo oyedwa weSwelele. Kwezinye izindaba ngisasona iSwelele Zakhelele Pasa will join iSwelele on a free transfer. Menikhumbula kahle ke umjida he was linked with iDurban City, but ke iDurban City ayikwazanga usiyisile ideal yakhe umjida. He will join iSwelele on a free transfer. Kwezinye izindaba ngibuyele kusona iSikhukhune United. iSikhukhune United kuthiwa le deal yamashiliyoni izoba sealed kodwa bafuna another player. That player is umdlali odlalela eCape Town City uSimon. Lo mjida lo uyi-striker bafethu bayamfuna ngempela. Kuthiwa if that move fails they may turn on a free agent market before iwindow livalwe yabo. Bafuna abadlali ngempela and bayasidinga le striker list, which is a funny thing because they do have uGrobler oshisa ngempela currently, but they do need another player ozokwazi ukubeef up at striking department. Manikhumbula kahle they recently let go of Ohizu udlala kwiSwelele right now ukwi-loan, so they need another striker to add that competition in their striking department. So signing this player from Cape Town City or striker naye suka le eEurope ngaba into right, ngaba i-competition right vele nabo. They are challenging for i-league right now the way they are playing. So iSikhukhune United they are looking to beef up their squad. Ezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje bafethu ishayiwe ke i-draw yama-team engayibonanga ke i-draw yama-team ayodlala kwi-calling knockouts. Now ama-team Magesi will face iAmaZulu FC, Mamelodi Sundowns will face iMarumo Gallants, Orbit College will face iTS Galaxy, Steelers versus iKaizer Chiefs, mase kuthi Durban City will face iPulwane City, mase kuthi Richards Bay will face iChippa United, Orlando Pirates versus iSwelele, mase kuthi iGolden Arrows versus iSikhukhune United. Ungangitshela ke imapha ama-team azodlula la ngokwakho, but ke ngokwami I think ama-team angakuleli icala leli angakuleli icala ngala I think wona azowina ngalana kuyodwa kuphela engayibona ukuthi izodlula. I think izoshaya Orbit College kwini iTS Galaxy, so nala ezansi I think futhi izoshawa iSikhukhune and not iSikhukhune sizoshaya iGolden Arrows kwini iSikhukhune. But ke wangitshela wena kuma comments ukuthi imapha azowina imapha azodliwa. Angifuni ukukhuluma, ngangitshela ama comments uvane lo bafethu. Ngakhohlwa usubscribe, ngakhohlwa ungifollowa. Ngiyathola Instagram, ngiyathola futhi na Facebook nguvane sport. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for isupport eninginayo. Before ngihambe kunezinye indaba lezi ningaze nikhohle bafethu. Hayibo ziningi indaba eziphuma namhlanje kuthiwa kungenzeka ukuthi igame yeZimbabwe ezodlala nebafana izodlalela le eMoses Mabhida noma iOrlando Stadium. Ngeke izidlalele le eBotswana. So indaba ezimnandi lezi kakhulu for ibafana fethu. So ama-game awuthi azodlala la eSouth Africa, so ngenza bayihoste le Orlando Stadium noma bayihoste la eMoses Mabhida. My best bet is that they will host the game eMoses Mabhida. But ke ungangitshela wona ama comments, where do you think ibafana kumele idlale?